Okay, so what's up, YouTube? So y'all remember it was a minute ago. It was before I did that video about the reading thing. I showed y'all my slime, my big one, but I got 4 little slimes right here, and we're gonna be doing a few competitions. So let's go. Okay, y'all. So this is my first slime, and what I like, well, the first thing is gonna be what is the squishiest slime? Just gonna scoop these slimes over here. I'm gonna focus all about this one. This one, it is squishy. If I had to do 1 to 10, let me see. About 8. Guys, I get that at 8. Yep, at 8. So I'm gonna put you back in your spot. Okay, next one. This one I give about a 5. If not at all. I just want to get off that one. It ain't nothing. This one about a 6. This one is not at all. Okay, squishy. Orange one. Oh, I give this a 10. So orange ones. Okay. Orange is so good. Orange, guys, is amazing. Okay, guys. Round 2. So this time we're gonna see which one is the squishiest. Okay, pink first. I mean the stickiest. Oh my God, guys. Jesus. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Goodness, y'all. This is super sticky. Gotta go wash my hands. Okay, my hands are clean. So, okay, let me put this back in here. That's why I only have but like 7 slimes. Okay, next one is this. I'll give that one 7. Not too sticky, but it's sticky. This is a 5. This ain't nothing near squishy. Wash my hands again. Oh my Jesus, what is this? Okay. Y'all see that? Okay. You. Let's go do the other hand. 3. I'm just gonna say that real quick because I thought it was gonna be squishy. I had put that thing on me. 3. That's great. Okay, next one. I give this a 9. So orange is a winner again. Okay, y'all. So we on round 3. Got my slimes back. They're in different orders. Sorry, guys. Okay. Now we just gonna see which one the funnest to play with. This is kind of fun. So give that a 6. His one is not like breakable. 10, straight up 10. So this might be the winner again. I love that orange one, guys. I don't know what it is. 2. So breakable. It's not breakable, but it feels very fun. So 9. Straight up 9. Okay. So guys, I hope you like my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. These are all of my slimes. Let me put them in order who came in first, second, third, and fourth. There we go. Not many changes at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. And wait. Y'all want me to tell y'all a secret? Wait, let me show y'all my trick real quick. I'm gonna tell y'all a secret with it. 1, 2, 3. I bought this Gotti. You can buy this for $3. You see that? I put it up on the screen for y'all if y'all can see that good. Let me put it up on the screen for y'all. Bye, y'all. Peace.